Hi there, it's Tanya here from Find Your English Voice. Welcome back. Last week we talked about why speaking English under pressure is a nervous system problem and not a language problem. And today I'd like to go a little bit deeper on one specific tool that you can use, which is the physiological sigh, and make sure you know exactly how to use it and why it works. When somebody tells you to calm down before a difficult moment, even if you tell yourself to calm down, you or they mean well, but telling yourself to calm down operates at the level of thought. And anxiety lives in your body, not in your mind. So you can't think your way out of a racing heart or a tight throat. You need to give your body a physical signal that it is safe. And that's what the physiological sigh does. It's a natural reflex, and your body already knows what to do, and you can use it deliberately. A physiological sigh is something that your body does automatically several times an hour to regulate carbon dioxide levels and prevent your air sacs from collapsing. What researchers at Stanford University discovered is that you can do this deliberately and trigger the same calming effect, but on demand. Here's the technique. Breathe in through your nose, a full breath, and then without exhaling, take a second, shorter breath in through your nose to fully inflate your lungs, and then breathe out slowly and completely through your mouth, making the exhale significantly longer than both of the inhales do, and that is one cycle. One or two cycles is usually enough. And I know this might be difficult without seeing this on camera, but I'm going to do this to show you. First of all, a longer inhale, and then without exhaling, one shorter inhale, and then a long, slow exhale. It doesn't have to be terribly slow, but it needs to be long. Okay, the first one. So that's really what it should sound like. One or two cycles is usually enough. If you want to do more, that's also okay. The long exhale is doing most of the work here. It activates the vagus nerve, which is the longest nerve in your body, which connects your brain to your heart, lungs, and digestive system. Vagal activation signals to your body that the threat has passed, and your heart rate slows, your muscles begin to release tension, your prefrontal cortex starts to come back online. The physiological sigh works best when used just before a high pressure moment, but research also suggests that practicing it regularly throughout the day trains your nervous system to return to calm more quickly over time. So using it 3 times a day this week, you're training your body to respond reliably when you really need it. So one more time, let's do this together. One breath in through your nose, followed by a shorter second breath in, and then a long exhale through your mouth. Notice what's different in your body. That shift, however subtle, is your nervous system beginning to register safety. Next week, we're going to look at grounding, which is another physical tool that works in a completely different way, but is equally as quick at times. The link to this month's blog is in the description. Have a good week. I will see you next Wednesday. Take care. Bye for now.